Soak up the rags, spark up the mask, light up the night and I never look back. I am the hunter, you are the monster. I am the entity, I am the haunter. Fight with no water, fight with no water. Bring me the leg, I won't choke on the water. I am the author, you are the paper. Rip you apart, leave the blood on the razor. Motherfucker, I am the product, they never feeling my feelings. I run up on them in the middle of the night and I kill them. I drill a hole in the villain, the fit of whatever mistake. Tell me shit, I don't listen. I'm burning up with the witches. Always been the same and I'll never change. Drifting the waves and I'm swept away. Catch me with the flames, I'm a decimate. And if I rest today, I'll just accept my fate. How I feel, am I really here? Dwelling every fear, there's no heal, let me hear me out. Show me who I was, patiently, faithfully chasing the sun. Drag me down, deep into the ground. Seep into the weakness, gotta get the secret out. I am alone, inside my head. I can be killed if I'm already dead. Heartless entity, double identity. Look at me, see what you did to me. Look at you, this is the end of you. Thought I was done, but bitch, this is the interlude. I will be conscious, watch where you step. I am your conscience, I am your breath. I am the sovereign, never to rest. I will break down your will until nothing is left. Soak up the rags, spark up the mask, light up the night and I never look back. I am the hunter, you are the monster. I am the entity, I am the haunter. Fight with no water, fight with no water. Bring me the leg, I won't choke on the water. I am the author, you are the paper. Rip you apart, leave the blood on the razor. Motherfucker, I am the product and never feeling my feelings. I run up on them in the middle of the night and I kill them. I drill a hole in the villain, the fit of whatever mistake. Tell me shit, I don't listen. I'm burning up with the witches. Always been the same and I'll never change. Drifting the waves and I'm swept away. Catch me with the flames, I'm a decimate. And if I rest today, I'll just accept my fate. I don't wanna live forever, I just wanna die a king. I don't wanna live forever, I just wanna die a king. I don't wanna live forever, I just wanna die a king. I don't wanna live forever, I just wanna die a king. I'm on that fuck 'em all and kill 'em shit. Back at it, I'ma kill this shit. Josh AJ kill Double J in the field, run for the hills. I smell the fear. It's top of barrel, the double barrel, smoking, reloading, hoping you know your makers. Spread them out across the acres. I'm on that fuck 'em all and kill 'em shit. Back at it, I'ma kill this shit. Josh AJ kill Double J in the field, run for the hills. I smell the fear. It's top of barrel, the double barrel, smoking, reloading, hoping you know your makers. Spread them out across the acres.
These evil thoughts so cloud my mind, and I've been working every night. I just don't ever pump the brakes, you know I do this all the time. And I've been blowing up, but they still just don't fuck with the kid. But that's okay, cause you should know that I don't fuck with the biz. I shut it down like world peace, this season 2 need that shit. My mind been gone, but sometimes I don't think it even exists. Sometimes they love it, they hate it, I keep it related. So when the tape drops, all the fans are related. I look at the game and I'm feeling too jaded, cause I don't fuck with that shit. Yo, can we get a oof in the house?
I'm on that fuck 'em all and kill 'em shit. Back at it, I'ma kill this shit. Josh AJ kill Double J in the field, run for the hills. I smell the fear. It's top of barrel, the double barrel, smoking, reloading, hoping you know your makers. Spread them out across the acres. I'm on that fuck 'em all and kill 'em shit. Back at it, I'ma kill this shit. Josh AJ kill Double J in the field, run for the hills. I smell the fear. It's top of barrel, the double barrel, smoking, reloading, hoping you know your makers. Spread them out across the acres. Come here, little bitch, run up on us, end up in a ditch. I've had enough of these punks, loading up up, time to get slow. You better run, change your heart, said fuck that. 556, I bust back, no soul left, I'm so dead. All I see is rose red. I step in the area, top of hysteria. This is the end, they prepare for the burial. Motherfuckers get no mercy. Ran out of blood and I'm so thirsty. My mind's gone, been dark times. I grind on these dark nights. No, this is not the ending.
been trying to find, searching for my peace of mind. Going every night, I've been running every time. Think I'm about to go insane, think my mind gone in my yay. And I can't wait for the day, thinking about it now, I don't rest. I've been trying to find, searching for my peace of mind. Going every night, I've been running every time. Think I'm about to go insane, think my mind gone in my yay. And I can't wait for the day, thinking about it now, I don't rest. Thinking music is the only way right out of poverty. Think I finally made it, I feel like I won the lottery. Swear this game is too damn rigged, been clogged up like some arteries. Got too many people in my way that wanna slaughter me. Fuck a motive going in cause they don't understand my pain. Fuck a motive going in cause music's my only end game. Got no plans, I swear that I'ma do this till I die. If the music went away, I'd probably commit suicide. So suck a dick if you don't fuck with me. I don't put in all this work for you specifically. I make hits for sad kids, I make hits for freaks. Why the fuck you wasting time when you don't have to be? I've been trying to find, searching for my peace of mind. Going every night, I've been running every time. Think I'm about to go insane, think my mind gone in my yay. And I can't wait for the day, thinking about it now, I don't rest. I've been trying to find, searching for my peace of mind. Going every night, I've been running every time. Think I'm about to go insane, think my mind gone in my yay. And I can't wait for the day, thinking about it now.
Sometimes I feel like, is this real life? Sometimes I just don't feel right. Two pistols, keep them real close. Feel like I'm burning real slow. My mind unrest, sick of being like this. No time to stress, I'm blind at best to the world outside. I stay locked up, no patience, I don't give a fuck. Fuck everybody, fuck them, I said motherfuckers ain't shit, just leave them dead. I keep my distance and my vision is hatred. I don't know why I ended up this way. I'm losing patience, I'm losing faith in the human race. This ruined place, eradicate this ravaged population.
In the night, thoughts running through my mind. 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 I've been trying to find, searching for my peace of mind. Going every night, I've been running every time. Think I'm about to go insane, think my mind gone in my yay. And I can't wait for the day, thinking about it now, I don't rest. I've been trying to find, searching for my peace of mind. Going every night, I've been running every time. Think I'm about to go insane, think my mind gone in my yay. And I can't wait for the day, thinking about it now, I don't rest.
Yeah, they used to laugh at me, but who the fuck is laughing now? From the trenches, I return again to drag you through the crowd. Fear me, hear me whisper in the night. Too late, bitch, I got you in my sight.
So apocalyptic, my flow sadistic. Wanna stop dark thoughts, been so addicted. Hearing voices telling me to kill them all. Came right back, now I'm ready to brawl. Watching them run when I'm hitting the scene. Bring it as better believe. What you gonna do when the dark thoughts